All right, question number 2. So sometimes they're doing it with like a substitution, so you can kind of just look at the outer function and then do an inner function separate. However, they're giving you this function and they're saying this is a composition of function, and they said let f of u represent the outer and g of x represent the inner, and we want to pick which one would match. So the outer function is just something raised to the -6. So the f of u would be raised to the -6. So just replacing the whole thing with a u, and then g of x is going to be the inside, which is going to be 7x squared plus 3. So A looks like it matches with doing a u substitution. None of the others match. This is not having taken the derivative yet, just kind of matching up functions. Three is going to be a fill in the blank with some definitions. So the derivative f times g of x equals f prime evaluated at g of x. So this is kind of like what we have here, f prime with the regular g of x in there multiplied by g prime of x evaluated at x. So that's the inside argument there. So this is just a different mathematical notation of saying what is happening in symbolic form. And then this one is giving us a function and wants us to figure out what is h prime of -8 if we follow the bouncing ball. So so if we say h prime of -8, okay, so that would be f prime of g of -8, so I'm just kind of following the map up here, times g prime of -8. Okay, so now if I find out what g of -8 is, I'm going to say f prime, and we're going to find what is g of -8. Okay, g of -8 is equal to 9. So I'm going to do f prime of 9 here. This is going to be time g prime of -8. I don't need to write g prime, but what is g prime of -8? So g prime of -8 is 8. So I'll be multiplying times 8. Now I need to find out what f prime of 9 is. Okay, so f prime of 9 is equal to 10. So basically when I do this, we're getting 10 times 8, which just gives us 80 by following the chain rule.